Westermans here again with the circle cutting machine, this time actually on a pipe. Just trying the cam up and down. Machine can actually be set up obviously with plasma if required, or you could obviously put a MIG welding torch on it for welding the nozzles. It will also do circular holes in flat plate or castellated beams doing the holes. Magnetic base there to connect onto. So as you can see, it's raising up and down, but as it's not in the centre line, it's slightly off, but it will raise up and down the pipe as travelling round. A little bit more movement. More details available on westermans.com on the PDF for minimum and maximum diameters. Machine's actually single phase, 110 volts, made in the USA.